Okay, so today we'll be fixing the door.
An eternity later.
So we have to strip down this old door, everything in it, then transfer it to the new door. The new door has a glass. Let's see how it goes. I'm trying to strip the door. I'm removing this. It's just connected by a glue, so it's quite tough because it hasn't been removed before.
I removed the sound deadening, then moved on to the speaker. It actually came off easier than I expected.
You have to remove the mirror. So let's see how that goes.
The hard part is knowing the right screw to use. I'm sure I'll memorize with time.
So I have the mirror out.
Next is the wiring harness. I had to find a way to get it off without hurting my hands. I think it's time I invest in some gloves.
Fucking hell. Now we have to remove I think this is what supports the window from going up and down. So we have to remove it.
Support the window from going up and down. That's funny. That's a window controller. After removing the screw, all you have to do is push in the controller, then slide it out through the cutout. Now to the door hinges. Pretty tight space and weird angles.
Finally, since I've pulled this now, let me just get the door off and we remove it. So
finally, we can remove the door now.
Okay, I think this is for the proximity sensor when you are driving, so someone doesn't crash into you or you don't crash into someone. So now you are building a new door.
At this point, everything was going great. I was goofing around, but my mic had stopped working.
Stop it. Get some help.
Putting the new door on the hinges was quite a challenge. I screwed up the door strong enough so I can put in the wiring harness. It's time to route the wiring back into the door. That's easier said than done. After a few minutes of finessing, I got it in finally.
Okay, yeah, I think it's in now. Okay, so I think, yeah, is it rubbing? So you have to get this into the door, screw everything together, then we'll start setting it up.
To install is pretty much the reverse of how it came out. It's just to slide it at an angle into the cutout. The next thing is the speakers. It's pretty the same setup, just get the angle and screw it on.
Proximity sensor, so it just goes into this place. Then I have to screw it on. The mirror, but I hope if I fix the mirror I can fix the glass. So the mirror. Let's keep it going. To fix the glass, we fixed the whole connector, we fixed most of the major things, but at this point, to be able to continue, we have to fix the glass, then fix other things left. So to fix the glass, you have to plug in the controller.
At this point, the net came with a plot twist. I thought it was just going to be an easy fix, simple plug and play, but the door had other plans. After a lot of back and forth, figured out it was probably a blown fuse. So we have to like get that and fix it. The blown fuse really slowed us down. The old door is well connected. At least there's a win. We don't have to fight in to get into the car anymore. We can easily open and close. So I think that's it for tonight. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe to follow.